Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete matches on Tinder. So in order to delete matches on Tinder, you must first have Tinder application and you must be logged in. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Tinder application. So once you tap on your Tinder application, you reach to the home page where you'll have to go and tap at the chat icon at the bottom. You reach this page where you have to tap the name of the person that you want to unmatch. So I'm gonna go and tap on the name of the person, and you'll have to tap on the sealed icon at the top right. So once you tap there, you get various options such as unmatch from the person, report the person, block the person, or even access safety center. So I want to unmatch from the person, so I'm definitely gonna go and tap on the unmatch option. So once you tap there, it asks you if you really want to or not. You tap on yes, unmatch, and that's how you unmatch the person and the person disappears from your chat lists. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.